Hello guys, welcome back again to MJ Crypto, and you already know I give you the best content and I spit facts, nothing but facts, guys. 2 weeks ago, barely 2 weeks ago actually, we launched the BTC hack right on this channel, and it has actually been amazing. In fact, it has been explosive. And guess what, guys? Yesterday, just before the FOMC meeting, we caught BTC at 20,900, guys. And guess what? It exploded. I told all of my team members that we're actually going for a long position because liquidity was actually trapped, and I saw the divergence. Remember, momentum moves before price. And guess what? I saw the divergence and we went on a long position and it actually exploded. Look at the results on the screen right here. Just look at it for yourself. And the time at which I actually, gave that call on my Telegram group. It was amazing, guys. But guess what? Here is the drill. I want to tell you guys something that you've probably never heard before, right? The biggest information you can ever have in the crypto space is knowing when money is leaving BTC and when it's actually flowing into BTC. In other words, when the alts are selling into BTC, meaning investors are selling their altcoins and buying BTC, and when they are fully selling out their BTC to buying altcoins, or the worst case scenario, they are all leaving the crypto space. All right. Now, this information is something that the smart money has access to. All right. They have access to this information. It's everywhere. And this is what they do. They don't do all of these technical analysis, plotting trend lines, and all of this stuff. It's good. It's fine if you're a newbie, but there's a point at which you get to, you realize that the market is predetermined. All right. It's actually being manipulated by a few people. Now, this is a fact, and I want you to make this stick into your head. It is being manipulated by a few people. So why do you try to figure out and try to predict the decisions being made by other people? Why? Why do you keep doing that? Why don't you figure out the point at which these guys, these smart money guys, I call them the smart money because they have access to this information firsthand. Why don't you figure out the exact point where they are selling off their investments and where they are buying? The moment you figure out that information, you can easily know where the market is headed. Take, for instance, a couple of days ago, right? Tesla sold off 75% of their reserves on BTC, or rather in crypto, into fiat. And this affected the price of Bitcoin, right? So, but if you're trading just the normal technical analysis, whereby you're using trend patterns, I'm not trying to condemn that. I'm not saying that these things don't work. But in cases of volatility, what do you do? How do you predict where the market is headed? How? You need external information to actually excel in this space, guys. And guess what? The BTC hack would show you pressure zones where Bitcoin must pump and where it must what? Dump. It's actually still going to show you if the BTC is selling into alts. If we're approaching an alt season, you would definitely know. Is that amazing, guys? And guess what? The risk to reward is almost 99 to 1%. This is for facts, guys. So what are you waiting for? Hop into my DMs right now and send a message. I reply swiftly. For those of you who are already using the BTC hack, keep printing money, guys. Keep printing money. The market has nothing on you because you have the manual of what Bitcoin is about to do right on your palm. All right. Take, for instance, you are going into the market to buy something and you are not certain of the price. As a smart person, what do? You make a phone call to anybody you know in the market, all right, to confirm the price, or you check it up online. And then you figure out the price, so you budget for it, and then you head down to the store and get your item. It's the same principle the way the BTC hack works, all right? It shows you clear points where BTC must pump. So when you make a call on the BTC hack, it must deliver and it must answer you vividly. We do up to 1,000% profit using 125x. I don't think anybody out there does this consistently back to back. All right, I'm not trying to brag or anything, but this is real life, this is real facts I'm spitting right now. So what are you waiting for? Step into my DMs and sign up for a membership into the BTC hack for your own good, and stop losing your hard-earned money to these guys, because the market is strictly predetermined, all right, by some certain factors. And what moves these factors? The whales. They control the market, not you, the retail trader. So why are you stressing yourself over and over and over again trying to plot these lines, support and resistance, try to figure out these things, trend lines, trend channels, trend patterns? This is a bullish flag, this is a bearish flag. Who told you these guys won't pump the market when you think they're actually going to dump it? So figure out these things using the BTC hack. And don't forget, guys, momentum always moves before price. See you on the other side, guys. Peace out.